All right, welcome back. We're going to build the dark circuit, the dark lantern. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to add that transistor back. Now when you add the transistor back, put it in line with a section of holes. It's not, it's going to make it a little easier for spacing. So with the transistor in place, what I want you to do is add the photoresistor. This is the photoresistor. It does not have polarity. So we're going to take the photoresistor and add it to the emitter and the base. You want to kind of wiggle it a little bit and push down until it goes in. Okay, so the photoresistor is in. Now, we need to jump the electricity from the emitter to the negative side of the battery. So we're going to bring that over here. Okay. And you can actually put this wire, so instead of having it cross over like that, you actually put this wire in the back. Like that. So that's to get the electricity out. Now we want to put electricity in, so let's try putting some electricity in. Let's do this. So actually what we're going to do is we're going to use the LED itself to get the electricity in. So remember you have the positive and negative sides. And if you can't tell which one is which, look down the back, look down the sides, and see which side of the LED has a flat surface on the back. And sometimes it's kind of hard to tell. You see that? There's a slight flat spot right there. So that's going to go into the negative side. And the non-flat side is going to go into the positive side. So let's do that. Okay. Now we need a resistor. So let's do this. This is probably the wrong resistor. If you're using the wrong resistor, the circuit will either stay on or stay off. So let's use this one. Okay, look at that. So it's off. Now it's not doing anything. Okay. So what am I doing wrong? I may just have the wrong resistor. So let's see if there was another one. Okay, so as you can see, the LED is on. Now let's see if when I turn on a light that mimics the sun coming out, if it turns off. It does turn off, but that's a lot of power. Let's switch you out for the one it originally came with. Let's do this. Now, was I able to actually use this one? I don't know. That's fine. And if you're not sure about something, just try it and see if it'll work. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Check this out. So you can see the light is on, right? So the resistor value does matter. So this resistor value, as you can see, is taking the 3 volts here. It's going through the resistor to the base on pin 16 there. So you can see what else is on 16. 16 has the base of the transistor. It has one side of the photoresistor, and it has the resistor here. And then on 14, we have the photoresistor, we have the transistor, external, what's it called? The output of the transistor, and then the ground. So that goes to ground right there. And then when you have this LED going, right? And then when you bring up a light, look at that. Check it out. It turns off. And you take the light away, turns on. More light, turns off. Less light, turns on. More light, off. So, this is the dark circuit. Now, the goal is to actually have, now let me stop the video and I'll get some stuff ready and I'll show you the sensor hookup.